How to check payment due date on Discover credit card. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can check your payment due date on Discover credit card. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up discover.com in your Google browser in your mobile device. Now, on the search URL, type in discover.com. That will take you to the official web page of Discover. You can follow all these steps in your Discover mobile application as well. Now, once you get to the official web page of Discover, first of all, you have to log into your account. So tap on login button from the top right corner, then a login prompt will pop up. So first of all, type in your user ID, your user account password, and then your credit card type. So select your credit card and simply tap on login. After you log into the dashboard, you will see all your Discover account. There are credit cards and bank account. So tap on credit card and then there you will see your current balance. When the credit card account page is loaded, next to it you will see a payment due date. So that's how you can check your payment due date on Discover credit card. That's all for today's video and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end and I will see you on next video.